Hi guys, we're in Siem Reap, Cambodia. I'm here with my good friend Sav and Philip. Philip, this is my good friend Sarah and John. They live in Meridian, Mississippi. Just world-class people. I love what you put on your sign. She lost her sister not long ago in honor of Barbara Meyer Groves. And that's from Sarah and John in USA. Siem Reap, Cambodia, August 2026. And we have this lady is 80 years old.
80 years old.
And how many grandkids and kids does she have?
លោកយាយមានចៅប៉ុន្មានហើយ
ចៅពីរ
ចៅពីរ two grandkid
Two
នៅ
grandkids.
តែមួយទេនេះនៅស្រីមួយ
ចាំមួយទៀតទៅណា
ចៅមួយទៅរស់ស៊ីអត់តា
one stay with her and other one went for
Okay, so
Do something.
ask her how will this water help her in her daily life?
គាត់សួរថាពេលបានដងទឹកថ្មីអញ្ចឹងទឹកជួយអីខ្លះលោកយាយ
ជួយអុយទេ
បាទ
ជួយអុយទឹកជួយ
ជួយយកមុជយកអីចឹងហ៎
ចាចា
បាទ many things she said
Many things.
yeah
Well, it's an honor for us to give her this well. We want to say
គាត់
thank
ថា
you.
គាត់សប្បាយចិត្តដែលបានឲ្យដងលោកយាយជួបលោកយាយបាទហើយលោកយាយសប្បាយចិត្តដែរអញ្ចឹងណាបាទអរគុណ
ថតរួចហើយ
ថតរួចហើយលោកយាយថតរួចហើយ
Thank you very much. John and Sarah, God bless you. Saving lives one drop at a
អូចាំ
time.
ថ្ងៃតើជួបលោកយាយចូលបាទ
Thank you.
អរគុណលោកយាយជូនពរយុវវ័យលោកយាយណា
ចាសាធុសាធុ
បាទអរគុណអរគុណ
She's got to sit down, she said, and I do too. So, God, Sarah and John, thank you so much. Water is life because of you.
Okay
God bless you.